10 IRA-approved precious metals. Investing in precious metals through your IRA can boost your portfolio's stability. Here are 10 IRS-approved options. 1. Gold bullion, must be at least 99.5% pure. Examples: American Gold Eagle, Canadian Gold Maple Leaf. 2. Silver bullion, requires a purity of 99.9%. Examples: American Silver Eagle, Canadian Silver Maple Leaf. 3. Platinum bullion, minimum purity of 99.95%. Examples: American Platinum Eagle, Canadian Platinum Maple Leaf. 4. Palladium bullion, also needs 99.95% purity. Notable option: Canadian Palladium Maple Leaf. 5. Gold American Eagle coins, though not 99.5% pure, these U.S. Mint coins are IRA approved. 6. Gold Australian Kangaroo or Nugget coins, meet 99.99% purity standard, from the Perth Mint. 7. Gold Austrian Philharmonic coins, 99.99% pure, celebrating Austrian culture. 8. Silver American Eagle coins, 99.9% pure, known for iconic design. 9. Silver Canadian Maple Leaf coins, 99.99% pure with security features. 10. Platinum American Eagle coins, U.S. Mint approved, 99.95% pure. These metals safeguard against economic shifts. Consult a financial advisor for personalized guidance. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.